So, good day everyone. My name is Francis Kelly Escobedo. I am BEd 2, Section 2. So, we are going to discuss what is first aid. So, what is first aid? First aid is immediate temporary care given to a person who has been injured or suddenly becomes ill. It involves basic medical assistance before professional medical treatment can be obtained. So, second question, what are the three main goals of giving first aid? The first one is to preserve life. The second one is to prevent further injury. The third one is to promote recovery. So, third question, um, list the reason why first aid is important. The two reasons why first aid is important are it can save lives in emergency situation. Number two, it can minimize the severity of injuries and prevent long-term complication. The fourth question is who is a first aider? A first aider is a person trained to provide immediate medical assistance to injured or ill individuals before professional medical help arrives. So the fifth question is mention three things a student first aider should do during an emergency. So the three things a student first aider should do during an emergency are assess the situation and the injured person condition. Number two, provide appropriate first aid based on their training. Number three, call for professional medical help when necessary. So, let's proceed the part 2 of our activity. So, the reflection. In your own words, why do you think learning first aid is important for a student like you? Learning for me, learning first aid is important for student because it equips us with the skill to help ourselves and other in emergencies. So the last one of our discussion is imagine this situation. So example, you are in the school playground and your classmate falls and gets a cut on their leg. The wound is bleeding. What would you do as a student first aider? Elaborate 3 to 5 steps you would take. So for me, number 1 is assess the situation. Number 2, control the bleeding. And number 3, clean the wound. And number 4, dress the wound. And number 5, seek help. Thank you.